It's fermentation day and we are making probiotic pickles with organic mini English cucumbers, garlic, and these are some organic local beans, sweet onions, and then we've got young Thai coconut that we are making a cocoa. These are a batch of the probiotic pickles that I have going with dill and dill seed, and then we've got sprouts. Let's go. So this took me about 15-20 minutes just to get it all in here. Got the fermentation weights. We've got juicing veggies for a little bit later, plus I'm making another recipe, and we've got the young Thai coconut meat and the water. I'm going to blend that up, then I'll add the probiotics. This took about 1.5 minutes. It turned out really perfect. You want sort of a custard-like texture, which this is just lovely, and I will link below for an opening of the young Thai coconut that I use. I have 2 brands, and then I will also link below the tasting. I had made another batch of this coconut yogurt where it was perfect, plus tasting of the probiotic pickles that I made that turned out perfect as well. Here they are. They fit exactly 2 16-ounce jars, and they take about 2 days to ferment, and the consistency changes. It rises and it gets airy, kind of like how sourdough starters look. So that's when you know it's ready. And again, there will be linked below on how I made it, tasting so amazing. And then we'll get lids on these. And with these ferments, you just have to sort of pay attention and watch them every day, and you can also taste them. Let me know if you have any fermentation tricks that you recommend, if you like to make your own coconut yogurt, and what other ferments you like to make. Bye.